Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make soft and delicious pumpkin apple bread. It's perfect for the fall season. I've been making this for many years and have several versions of it with nuts, raisins, and different types of sugar. Today I'll show you the easiest and what I think is the best version of this quick bread. You don't even need a stand mixer. Everything can be done by hand. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats up, get the ingredients ready. To a large bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and grated nutmeg. We'll need large eggs and vegetable oil, sugar, orange juice, apple juice or water, pumpkin puree, and an apple. For the pumpkin, you can roast your own and strain it to remove excess liquid. If you want to save a few hours, use canned pumpkin puree. This is one canned item that I always have in the pantry for baking. It tastes great and is perfect for pies, muffins, breads, etc. Pumpkin is also very healthy and loaded with vitamin A. After you get all the ingredients ready, peel and cut the apple into small pieces. I leave the apple for the end so it doesn't turn brown. To avoid washing too many bowls, get a large measuring cup like this one. Measure the oil in it, add the eggs, and use it as a bowl when adding the other liquid ingredients. Whisk the oil and eggs until well blended. Add the sugar, orange juice, and pumpkin puree. Add this wet mixture to the dry and combine. Stir in the diced apple. Divide the batter evenly between loaf pans. This feels about the same. You can always weigh them if you're not sure. Tap the pans on the counter to get rid of any air bubbles. Bake in the heated oven for about 55 minutes. Take a toothpick and insert it into the center of a loaf. If the pick comes out clean or with very few crumbs, it's done. Don't overbake. Cool loaves in the pans on a wire rack. Once the bread is cool enough to handle, run an offset spatula around it. Give it a few taps and turn it out on a cutting board. I can't wait to eat this, so this bread is still warm. And you see it holds together just fine, even though it's not completely cool. Slice and enjoy this amazingly moist bread. I can eat this for breakfast or a snack. Since this recipe makes 2 loaves, I slice and freeze 1 loaf. It's easy to pull out a slice and heat it up anytime. I do hope you enjoy this bread. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.